everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. One of my favorite traditions in the spring is to have our children plant mammoth sunflowers. And I don't even know when I started. It was many, many years ago, and I don't know why I chose mammoth sunflowers, but they are the best to grow because they grow fairly quickly and they grow really tall. So let me show you what I've done here. I like to use a clear cup so that maybe we might be able, sometimes we can see some root action happening. And I like to label the front. Now you can use a piece of masking tape and just write their name on it. That's fine, but I like to have their names really obvious, and I wanted to have a picture of what it is that they're growing. So I created these labels, which they are in the blog post that I'm linking to in the description. So make sure to check, because you can download these and use them yourself. And I just created enough labels for each child, and it says this sunflower was planted by, and then I have their name. So the children know which one is theirs. Great name recognition activity. And then what we did was we had the soil in a little tub, and we had a cup. Each of the child had their cups, and we had the children scoop the soil into their cup and then poke a hole into the soil and put the seeds. I use 2 seeds because if one doesn't grow, then the other one most likely will. Otherwise, it's just a little kind of a little precaution, just in case one doesn't sprout. We've got the other one, and then they cover it up. It's kind of like a blanket they put over the seed, and then when we're done, I have a special spot that we take it over to where the children can then take care of them.
Do you want just one
Who's
bee,
that?
or do you want more bees?
A-N-N-A.
Okay.
Whose name is that? A-N-N-A. Is that Anna? Yes, it is. Okay, you put your cup in here. Set your cup down. Just like this, okay? Miss Mari's gonna get you some soil, and you're gonna pour it into your cup.
Are you ready to put your bees on your
Here's your soil, and that needs to go in here.
You like them?
They're very
Okay, we're gonna pack down your soil like this. You use your hand. Here are your seeds, and you're gonna put them into the hole. 1, 2. They need some water. That's great, buddy. I'm gonna put them on the tray, and then we're gonna put them in the sun, and we're gonna get to watch them grow big and strong.